welcome back to C++ lesson. We are going to continue our lesson, which is jump control statement. Remember, in the previous lessons we already covered break and continue statement. Now let us go to what you call Goto statement. So simply, Goto statement is a jump control statement, of course, that control the execution of program by specifying the statement to be executed for a certain condition. Let us see how it works. Simply, when we declare the jump statement in C++ is accomplished by writing Goto as reserved word followed by label of destination. Then in this case, label is just followed by colons as follow here. For example, here you see good colons, then index. Here our good is like a label, is our label. Then index is a variable as usual. Then to implement it, let us use if condition. Now we need to write Goto label. You see, as we have said here, we use Goto statement followed by label. Our label is this one, Goto label. Then close our if condition. So to be aware of how it works, let us do this example here. Let us write C++ program that print numbers from 1 to 5. If reached to 5, program must end and display message says that the loop exit at line 5, right? And the expected output will be 1 2 3 4 5. The loop exit at 5. So this is what we will going to do by using Goto statement. Firstly, as usual, we need make variable declaration. Let us int index as our variable, which is equal to 0, right? Like this. Then I have seen that we use the label. Let us use label. Then index and followed by colons, as we have seen. Then index plus plus, right? With semicolons, right? Then after this, let us displaying our numbers, which is presented by index out index, like this. Then end line. Let us use just space or comma. Let us use a comma, then semicolon, right? After this, we are going to open our if statement. If then condition is index which is less than to 5, right? Then after this, let us open our if statement and use Goto to access to this label. We are going to use Goto and access to this label. So go to our label like this, then semicolon, and then after this one we will display statement says that the loop exit at 5, right? As we have seen in our task. Then here let us put here end line like this. You see, this is how to use Goto statement to implement C++ program. It's time to make compilation. Let us check. You see, there is no error. Let us run our program to check an output. Yeah, you see, this is our output. So thank you for watching this video. See you in next one, where we learn about exit as a last type of jump control statement.